Today, we're going to go through the steps to sublimating and assembling Unisub double-sided keychains. Here are the items you'll need. A blank Unisub keychain, keychain hardware which is provided, the transfer printed using a sublimation printer and RIP software to ensure quality results, a small swing-away heat press set to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and the appropriate pressure, heat gloves, heat tape, scissors, a cloth for cleaning the surface, all-purpose cleaner, and blowout paper. First, clean the blank keychain. If you'd like to sublimate a single-sided keychain, just tape the blank product to the transfer and place in the heat press. For double-sided keychains, you should have 2 images printed on your transfers. Cut the corners of one of the transfers about 1/4 inch away from the edge of the image in order to have plenty of space to tape the first transfer to the second. Next, line up and center one side of the blank keychain to the transfer with the cut corners. Pick it up and crease the transfer paper along the edges so it will stay lined up with the image or graphic. Make sure the transfer is at the edge of the table and hold the first transfer in place by tightly gripping it with your thumb and finger. Carefully flip the keychain. Line it up with the second transfer, keeping the first side of the transfer slightly peeled back so you can see where you're placing the keychain. Once secured on the second transfer, peel back the edges of the first to double-check that all the sides are even. Make small adjustments as needed. Next, place 4 pieces of tape on the corners to secure the transfers to the keychain. Avoid placing the tape on the keychain outline. Carefully slide the prepared keychain off the table and place in the heat press between 2 sheets of blowout paper. Press double-sided aluminum keychains at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 minute 15 to 1 minute 25 seconds. If pressing one side at a time, press for 50 seconds. Press single-sided aluminum keychains at 45 seconds. Press double-sided FRP keychains for 1 minute 30 seconds. If pressing one side at a time, press for 1 minute 20 seconds. Time may vary based on equipment. Increase time if pressing more than one keychain. Once pressed, allow the keychain to set for a moment. Pull the transfers off both sides of the keychain and let it cool for a few minutes. Attach the keychain hardware, which is provided. This is just one way to sublimate and assemble Unisub keychains. Find the process that works for you, and please share your tips and tricks with us.